the dudes shut them down, cause the money they blow is just so profound. Who this kid think he is? Somebody says he's someone in the business, kid, and right now he's hotter than the Florida sun. So what you saying, that's Flo Rida, son, huh? At the Laker game with two blondes, taking selfies with Iggy, Nicky, and Christina Milian. The kind of shit them pop stars be on, the kind of shit that make me wanna be one. Timepieces, I got a few, all of my real estate has got a few. I'm in that Lambo right now, headed to Malibu, with two chicks kissing and they kissing in their birthday suit. Oh, Hollywood got rock stars, pop stars. My hood got gangsters and cop cars. Hollywood got mansions and Lambos. My hood still searching for the antidote. Hollywood got rock stars, pop stars. My hood got gangsters and cop cars. Hollywood got mansions and Lambos. I love Lucy, that's my Uzi. I love Lucy, that's my Uzi. Anything fishy, better be sushi. Only use codes when you fucking with me. Feds and the PD think it's Swahili. It's risky business, but this ain't no Tom Cruise. I'm in business with some bad dudes. See, homie over here got a freaking attitude. I got a whole lot of problems, I ain't even in the mood. They calling me the neighborhood chemist. Some even call me a menace, like Dennis. But how I make my money ain't nobody business. I don't need your blessings, God is my witness. And the freaking preacher preaching, been freaking the deacon, pulling out the cook